Does your wig never fit? Do your edges show? Does your hair get stuck in your lipstick? Does it just never seem to go right? Then this video is for you. Wow! Try this Brazilian water wave. Bouncy, soft, and full of luster. Get the look today. Conditions may apply.
Look up. Close eye.
That was very aggressive. Let me see this. Hey guys, it's your girl Cyn.
I'm Arielle.
And it's been so long.
Welcome to 2019. Whoop whoop.
Guys, comment down below what you guys did for New Year's. We Happy New Year!
Merry Christmas!
Yeah, we've been gone for like a while, but
yeah, I feel like we haven't recorded in one. We haven't recorded since last year.
I don't know if you guys like realize anything, you know, kind of different.
Just
I don't
a
know
little
if you,
bit.
just like different. I don't know if you guys,
You know, are you guys rocking with it? Should we go back to
the open background? Yeah, we were trying something new, different colors, new us, new me stepping in. You know the stepping blocks that I post every year.
Do you guys have any like suggestions on where we should get like colors or fabric or anything at all? Just let us know. Check. Did you guys go to Honorary Fest?
We
or
did.
Live from Kingston?
Our friends, well, she went to Live from Kingston. I was at home the entire time. Sad. Yes, guys. So today, as you can tell by the title, we're going to make a wig. Well, Arielle is going to make a wig because, as you guys can see, I don't do much with my hair other than like combing my natural hair in different styles. So Arielle's going to show me like what's up.
Yeah, you know your girl is lazy. She doesn't like to comb her hair, so wigs are a great alternative. I got this hair from ThatHairThough.
Dum, dum, dum. Did you eat sugar before you came here? I'm so confused.
Guys, the bag is so cute. It says THT, ThatHairThough. You know their Instagram and number and stuff is on it. I love packaging.
Yeah, it's like a satin.
Yeah.
Bag.
They're having a deal, so I got 2 bundles and a frontal. And I'll put like the prices and stuff on screen.
Is it like a 360 frontal?
No, it's a 13x4.
I definitely know what that means.
It means it goes from like ear to ear.
Okay. That's why you know I just said ear to ear.
Because it's a 13x4 frontal, that's making it. Guys, it came with eyelashes. I'm shook.
Really?
Shook it.
Oh, these are nice.
Exactly. She was having a deal at the time. This is the frontal, guys. I'm so excited. I haven't opened it yet, which is, if you know me, you know that that's a lot. So this is the frontal. It comes in a net.
Oh, it's like a lace.
Yes.
That's what frontal means?
It's a lace frontal.
Okay.
The lace is so soft. Guys, it's so soft. And it comes with baby hairs and stuff. It looks pre-plucked as well. Like the hairline isn't. Wow.
Oh, it's not harsh.
Yeah. This is really, really nice. It's like really, really nice. The hair feels
What
great.
is this, like Malaysian curly?
No, this is Brazilian water wave. And it is 12 inches. The frontal is 12 inches. And then I got 2 bundles. I think one is 14 and one is 12. Guys, I love hair so much.
Yeah, this is what she gets passionate about. I'm slightly lost. I'm trying to learn because like it's kind of annoying just having my hair all the time. So it's like I'm trying to learn so I can like, you know, zibble dabble.
Guys, I love this. Oh, it feels so nice.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna start by bleaching the knots on the frontal right here, keeping the bleach, like the consistency thick so that it doesn't like seep through the lace and get on the rest of the hair, so that the knots can be as invisible as possible.
Okay guys, so this is where I exit the chat because I'm just gonna film stuff. Hope you guys don't miss me too much. There's a fly and I'm not. Seriously, no, square up fly. Yeah.
Bye guys. Okay guys, I just bleached the knots. Might have to bleach them again, but that's fine. So I pinned the frontal at the two ends and in the middle. So now I'm just gonna sew it onto the cap. I'm about to sew the frontal onto the wig cap. I'm not sure if this is like the right way, but this is how I do it. So I get it through the lace. Ooh, okay. Through the lace and through the wig cap, and then I wrap the needle, what's this called? The thread. I wrap the thread around the needle twice and then pull. I'm about to sew on the bundles and I'm starting with the longer one. So this is the 14-inch and I'm gonna just sew this on until it's done. Okay, so I've pinned these, the first like section down, and I'm gonna do the same stitch that I did for the frontal, just here, all the way across, then fold the weft, come across, fold and come all the way across until I get to about here.
That's okay. It's okay.
For this part, I'm not gonna go through the elastic band, I'm just gonna go through the fabric. And I'm just gonna go through the wefts on the first section. Every other time.
What's a weft?
This thing up here.
Oh, that little line?
Yeah.
I thought that was a track.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
A track is a weft?
Yes.
Oh, wow. You learn something new every day.
Yes. I'm gonna try to get it at the best angle possible because you know your girl is not a professional.
You want me to hold it?
This is so awkward.
This is what friends are for.
So I'm just gonna take it across slightly above the track below and pin it so it stays in place. Okay.
It's a little tough.
That's also someone that is tough. Last track.
Finally.
Okay, the wig is done for the most part. You know, I'm just gonna style it. I'm going to sew it on at an angle. I don't know why. They just said that on the internet. Normally we wouldn't use an elastic this broad, but this is the only one that I have. So this is what we're gonna work with. So I've measured it from ear to ear on my head and I'm gonna sew it on. Oh my gosh, do lumpy space princess.
Fan! Look at my lamps! Fan! Are you looking serious? I'm so beautiful. Fan!
Alright, I've parted my hair, nice little side part, and now I'm gonna, what was I gonna do?
Cut the lace.
I was gonna cut the lace, there we go. So I'm gonna spray my hair to kind of get all the hairs out of the way. I want my hair out, by the way.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I want like right here, my hair out. So I'm just gonna pin this down and cut this hair right here. I've also never made baby hairs in my life with weave. That do good? I can't see. I'm gonna like low-key use the free spray to kind of glue it down a little bit. I was using the mousse, but it wasn't really working. I've never done this before.
Focusing more on the front.
Hey guys, I was struggling just a little bit with the baby hairs because you know I'm not good at that. But Cynara just, you know, she did a little thing. She just swooped here and swooped here because the baby hair thing with the excitement with the girl don't do. We can't really do that. So we just swooped and swooped and now we're done. Do you guys like it? I think I look really weird.
You look so different.
I have not had on hair in like forever.
You look so different. It's cute though. It's like, I like the water waves type of like, oh, you should do like a one over like a, yeah. Jada Pinkett, celebrity names, curly hair.
Halle Berry.
Yes, serving me water waves, body, slightly corporate.
Slightly corporate, just slightly.